Chinese chicken rice sounds delicious. Let's create a recipe for Szechuan Spiced Chicken Rice bowl. Ingredients: 4 Szechuan chicken, 500 boneless chicken thighs, sliced. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons Szechuan peppercorns, crushed. 2 tablespoons honey. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to taste. 4 rice, 2 cups jasmine rice. 4 cups chicken broth, 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon sugar. For garnish and assembly, slice green onions, sesame seeds, sliced cucumbers, pickled radishes, thinly sliced carrots. Sriracha or chili oil optional. Instructions: marinated in a bowl, combine soy sauce, crushed Szechuan peppercorns, honey, minced garlic, grated ginger, sesame oil, vegetable oil, salt, and pepper. Add sliced chicken thighs to the marinade and coat well. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Prepare the rice, rinse jasmine rice until the water runs clear. Drain excess water. In a pot, heat vegetable oil over medium heat. Add minced garlic and salt until fragrant. Add rice and stir for a minute. Pour in chicken broth, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, and sugar. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 15–20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Fluff with a fork. Cook the chicken heat a skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add a bit of vegetable oil. Cook the marinated chicken slices in batches until golden and cooked through, about 5–7 minutes per batch. Set aside. Assemble the bowl, divide cooked rice into serving bowls. Top with the Szechuan spiced chicken slices. Garnish with sliced green onions, sesame seeds, sliced cucumbers, pickled radishes, and thinly sliced carrots. Drizzle with a bit of sriracha or chili oil for extra spice if desired. Serve. Present the bowls on your video, highlighting the layers of flavors and textures. Discuss the fusion of Szechuan spices with the comforting elements of Chinese chicken rice. Remember to engage your viewers by explaining each step and discussing the flavors as you go along. Enjoy creating this unique twist on a classic dish.